Okay, students. Now, washing soda. Washing soda. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O, called hydrated sodium carbonate. Hydrated sodium carbonate. Hydrate means water. Hydrated sodium carbonate is called washing soda. Washing soda. The recrystallization of Na2CO3 sodium carbonate gives hydrated sodium carbonate. Hydrated sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives rise to Na2CO3 10H2O. That Na2CO3 10H2O is called washing soda, hydrated sodium carbonate. The color of hydrated sodium carbonate is blue color, light blue or pale blue color. Okay, students, here washing soda Na2CO3. Washing soda, recrystallization of sodium carbonate Na2CO3 gives washing soda. It is basic in nature. It is basic salt. Na2CO3 is a salt. All crystals are called salts. All precipitate solids are also called salts. Not only NaCl salt, the remaining all crystals, all precipitate solid substances are called salts. So here Na2CO3 mixed with water, recrystallization, water plus 10H2O gives rise to Na2CO3 10H2O. So formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. The color of Na2CO3 10H2O, the color of washing soda Na2CO3 10H2O is pale blue color or light blue color. Most important, the color of washing soda, the color of hydrated sodium carbonate is light blue color or pale blue color. Okay, students, uses of washing soda. First one, Na2CO3 10H2O means washing soda is used in the glass industry, paper industry and soap industry. Washing soda is used in the glass industry, soap industry and paper industry. First use of washing soda Na2CO3 10H2O is used in the glass industry, paper industry and soap industry. Okay, second one, it is used in the manufacture of borax. Borax is a mixture of some metals. It is a chemical. Borax is a chemical. Okay, it is used as a cleaning agent in a domestic purpose. In our house, it is a cleaning agent. Vim soap. Clean the vessels. Clean in the household vessels. It is a cleaning agent. It is a cleaning agent in the domestic purpose. Okay, students, and it is used for removing the permanent hardness of water. Rinse soap, Surf Excel, etc. These soaps are remove the permanent hardness of water, like hard water. Example of hard water, sea water, ocean water. Example of soft water, river water. Okay. So it is used for removing the permanent hardness of water. Okay, students. Next one, removing water of crystallization. removing water of crystallization. The water present in a crystals, we remove that water from that crystals. Removing water of crystallization. So we remove the water from crystals, from solid crystals, from solid salts, removing the water. Okay, for example, take a few crystals of CuSO4 5H2O. CuSO4 5H2O. See? Sorry students, not that color of blue color, not Na2CO3, 10H2O. Sorry, the color of blue is CuSO4 5H2O. Sorry, the color of CuSO4 5H2O is a pale blue, light blue color. Not Na2CO3, 10H2O. Sorry, the color of CuSO4 5H2O is light blue color. Here, take a few crystals of CuSO4 5H2O in a dry test tube. These crystals are heated. Okay. Water present in crystals is evaporated. And the salt turns white. The blue color CuSO4 5H2O salt turns into white color after heating the hydrated copper sulfate crystals in the test tube. Okay. When crystals are moistened with water, this white precipitate of CuSO4 crystals are moistened, added with water, reappear the blue color of copper sulfate, CuSO4 5H2O, blue color of copper sulfate, not Na2CO3 10H2O. Sorry, Na2CO3 is 10H2O is a hydrated sodium carbonate. It is a white color. Here CuSO4 5H2O. This is the color of CuSO4 5H2O is blue color. On heating, the blue color disappear and appear the white color. We add water drops to white colored CuSO4. The blue color is reappear. Okay. Here, when the crystals are moistened with water, the blue color reappear. Okay. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules. The fixed number of water molecules present in washing soda is 10 water molecules, 10 H2O. The fixed number of water molecules present in copper sulfate is 5 H2O, 5 water molecules. The fixed number of water molecules present in calcium sulfate, CaSO4, gypsum is 2 water molecules, 2 H2O. Okay, here water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in 1 formula unit of salt. This is CuSO4 is the 1 formula unit of copper sulfate salt. The fixed number of water molecules is 5 H2O. The fixed number of here water molecules of Na2CO3 is 10 H2O. It is the white color. Color of washing soda white color, not blue. Here color of CuSO4 5H2O is blue color. On heating, this blue color disappear and appear the white color. It changes into white color. We add some water to white crystals of CuSO4. The blue color reappear. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in a given unit volume. Of salt. Okay. Here, chemical formula of hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4 5H2O. CuSO4 5H2O. Gypsum CaSO4 2H2O. Gypsum is the another hydrated salt. It contains 2 water molecules. Formula of gypsum CaSO4 2H2O. CaSO4 calcium sulfate 2H2O. Gypsum is contain two water molecules. Here CaSO4 2H2O. Most important formula. Formula of gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O. Chemical name of gypsum is hydrated. Hydrate means water. Hydrated calcium sulfate. Hydrated calcium sulfate is gypsum. Contain two water molecules. Hydrated copper sulfate contain 5 water molecules. Color of hydrated copper sulfate is blue color. On heating, after heating, color of copper sulfate is white. This white color copper sulfate crystals added with water, it reappears the blue color. Reappear the blue color. CaSO4 5H2O. The total number of water molecules present in sodium carbonate or washing soda is 10H2O. Hydrated sodium carbonate is called washing soda. Na2CO3 10H2O. Okay. Formula of gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O. Hydrated calcium sulfate. This hydrated calcium sulfate is heated at 373 kelvins. It gives plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Heat the gypsum. Heat the gypsum up to 373 Kelvin. Heat the gypsum up to 373 Kelvin. It loses 1.5 water molecules from one unit formula. 1.5 water molecules. Gypsum lost 1.5 water molecules from 1 unit formula. This and to form CaSO4 of H2O, 1/2 H2O. In 2H2O, on heating, 1.5 water molecules disappear in the form of vapor. The remaining formula CaSO4 of H2O. CaSO4 of H2O. This CaSO4 of H2O is called plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Okay, students. Here, plaster of Paris. CaSO4 1/2 H2O. 1/2 H2O of H2O. Formula of plaster of Paris CaSO4 of H2O. It is called hemihydrate. Hemi of 1/2. Hemihydrated calcium sulfate is called plaster of Paris. Usually, this plaster of Paris is used in the hospitals. Okay, plaster the bones breaking. Here, plaster of Paris CaSO4 of H2O. On careful heating of gypsum at 373 Kelvin. At 373 Kelvin. Okay. It loses the water molecules partially. Partials means it loses the 1.5 water molecules. It loses the 1.5 water molecules. Okay. Partially to calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means of hydrate. Of hydrate. CaSO4 of H2O. CaSO4 of H2O. This is called plaster of Paris. POP. POP means P means plaster, O means of, P means Paris. Plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Hemihydrate calcium sulfate. It is called plaster of Paris. It is mixed with water. This plaster of Paris is mixed with water to form gypsum. To form again gypsum. Gypsum is heated up to 373 Kelvin. It loses 1.5 water molecules. and become a and to form a hemihydrate calcium sulfate. This hemihydrate calcium sulfate is called plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. We add one and a half molecules of water to this plaster of Paris. Water is added to plaster of Paris again to form gypsum. Again to form gypsum. Okay, here it is mixed with water. It is means plaster of Paris mixed with water. Look at the board. It is mixed with water to form gypsum. Gypsum. Here the chemical equation CaSO4 half H2O. Plaster of Paris. CaSO4 half H2O is the plaster of Paris. Plus half 1/2 H2O mixed with 1/2 H2O. 1.5 water molecules mixed with plaster of Paris to form CaSO4 2H2O. Gypsum. To form gypsum. Okay, next one. It is uses of plaster of Paris. Uses of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used in the plaster of Paris is used as plaster for supporting the fractured bones. Fractured bones. Support the plaster of Paris. Support the fractured bones in hospitals. Okay, it is used as the plaster for supporting fractured bones. Supporting fractured bones. Okay, it is used for making plaster of Paris. Also used for most important in 2 marks questions. The uses of plaster of Paris, formula of plaster of Paris, formula of gypsum. Most important. It is used as a plaster. It is used as a plaster for supporting the fractured bones. For supporting the breaked bones, fractured bones. It is used for making toys and decoration materials. Toys and decorating materials. So plaster of Paris used in the used as a plaster for supporting the fractured bones. It is used as a making the toys. Plaster of Paris is used for making the toys and decoration. Toys and decoration materials. Making the decoration materials. Okay, students. Total lesson again. Listen here. Bleaching powder. Chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine gas and dry cycle lime CaOH twice. Okay, CaOH twice plus Cl. The Cl2 gives rise to CaOCl2 plus H2O. The CaOCl2 is called bleaching powder. Use of bleaching powder. It is used for bleaching of cotton and linen in the textile industry. And used as an oxidizing reagent in many chemical industries, and used for disinfecting drinking water. That water contains disease-causing germs. It is free from disease-causing germs for drinking water. Used as a reagent in the preparation of chloroform. In the preparation of chloroform means CHCl3. Chloroform, mattumandu. And baking soda also called sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda. Chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, students, it is a mild non-corrosive base. It is a mild non-corrode base. Okay, on heating, this sodium hydrogen carbonate is divided into Na2CO3, water and carbon dioxide. On heating, it is divided into 2 NaHCO3 gives rise to Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, water and the carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is used in the manufacture of used to make the bread or cake to make them spongy or soft and spongy. Soft and spongy. Sometimes this washing soda used for faster cooking. NaHCO3 plus H plus. Here H plus means ion of acid. Edible oil acid. That is a tartaric acid. This is ion. H plus ion is a ion of tartaric acid. Okay. NaHCO3 plus H plus to form CO2 plus H2O plus sodium salt of tartaric acid or acid. This carbon dioxide gas causes bread or cake to make them soft and spongy. Okay, it is also used in the sodium hydrogen carbonate washing soda. It is also used in antacid. Example of antacid, magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia. It is basic in nature. So it acts as a mild antiseptic. Antiseptic is a solution contain base. First aid. ఇంజెక్షన్ చేసేటప్పుడు కాటన్లో వేస్తారు చూడు ఆయిల్ లైట్గా లిక్విడ్ దట్ ఈస్ యాంటీసెప్టిక్ కంటైన్ సోడియం హైడ్రోజన్ కార్బోనేట్ వాషింగ్ సోడా contain baking soda. It is also used in the antacid. Antacid means magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia, MgOH twice. It acts as mild antiseptic. And it is also used as soda acid in fire extinguisher. Okay students.